In this video, we'll see what comes with a brand new out of the box Bugaboo butterfly stroller. Just opened the tape on this box and we're going to get started. Some nice packaging here. Meet your Bugaboo butterfly, and we'll pull everything out of the box now and we'll take a look at it in a moment. So here we have everything nicely wrapped up, as you'd expect from a fairly expensive acquisition like this one. Some spacing boxes rather. Stroller itself, looks like there's some material back here. This is in some sort of waxy paper, and now we have the seat pad. It's a lightweight foam seat pad, pretty similar to what you'd see on some other Bugaboo strollers. This sort of material is fairly common. It's this one's black, possibly a dark gray. It's a little bit hard to tell. Got some materials there, and then obviously all the holes for the straps and things like that. Move that off to the side. And here is just some cardboard. Don't need that. And it looks like not too much else in here. Here is stroller itself. Look at that in a moment. And so that's all that's in the box. Okay, so here is the stroller as it arrives right out of the plastic. There's some protective material here, as you expect. That is just making sure that this thing doesn't get beat up in transit and that these hinges don't kind of puncture through the box or get damaged themselves. Here is your warranty card. You would just mail this in or probably just go online, and you will enjoy 4 years of family adventures carefree. So basically get a 4-year warranty, which is pretty solid for a stroller. And see, everything is nicely wrapped up. We have some more of that protective paper in here, and I'm not really sure how to open it yet. I just got this stroller. We could see it does stand on its end, and you can check back on this channel in a couple weeks for a full review. We're just kind of getting it in the house now and seeing how it operates. We'll see if we could open it without any instructions. It's always going to be an interesting proposal. See some buttons here, some buttons here. And okay, it's out of the box. Got it opened, and it's stable, secure. It is functioning as a stroller, and we see the seat now. No pad or anything like that. As you would expect, we have the pad separate, and it looks like there are some materials. That's good. So there is a thick stack of materials there. So you do have an instruction manual. You don't have to go online. That's good. And here we have another little wrapped package here. This is, I believe, your rain guard. Yeah, there you have your rain guard. So that's nice. Includes that. That'll save you 25 or 30 bucks. And that's it in the way of things that come with the Bugaboo butterfly stroller. Pretty simple package. Check back for more how-tos and instructions about this one.